Ever wondered how a compass always knows where north is? Or why certain materials stick to your refrigerator? It's a fascinating world, isn't it? The world of magnetism and matter. Picture yourself on a journey. A journey that starts in the heart of an atom and ends up in the vast expanse of the universe. This journey, my friends, is the story of magnetism and matter. Magnetism, it all begins with an atom. The atom, as you know, is the smallest unit of matter. It is composed of particles called electrons that orbit the nucleus. As these electrons move, they generate a tiny magnetic field. Now, imagine billions of such atoms. When their tiny magnetic fields align in the same direction, they create a magnet. Fascinating, right? But not all materials can become magnets. This is where the world of matter comes into play. You see, the behavior of matter in the presence of a magnetic field is what determines if a material is magnetic or not. Some materials like iron, nickel, and cobalt have atoms with magnetic moments that naturally align in the same direction. These materials are known as ferromagnetic materials. On the other hand, there are materials like copper and aluminum whose atoms have magnetic moments that do not naturally align in the same direction. These are known as diamagnetic materials. Then there is the third category, paramagnetic materials. In these materials, the magnetic moments of the atoms align in the same direction only when an external magnetic field is applied. So, what we have here is a beautiful interplay of magnetism and matter. The atomic structure of matter determines its magnetic properties, and these magnetic properties in turn shape the world as we know it. From the simple compass that guides us in the right direction to the complex MRI machine that helps doctors see inside our bodies, it's all a result of this fascinating interplay. In essence, magnetism is not just about attracting and repelling. It's about matter and its atomic structure. It's about how these atomic structures respond to magnetic fields. And it's about how this response shapes our world. To sum it up, we started with a thought-provoking question about magnetism and matter. We then embarked on a journey from the heart of an atom to the vast expanse of the universe. We explored the fascinating world of ferromagnetic, diamagnetic, and paramagnetic materials. And we saw how this world of magnetism and matter shapes our everyday lives. So the next time you see a compass pointing north or a clip sticking to your refrigerator, remember, it's not just magnetism. It's a story of magnetism and matter.